Hey, my divas. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Today, I have a review video for you of the Aimeili nail products. OMG is all I can say. So, quick story. I was looking for a builder gel in a bottle because the builder gel that I currently have is in the little container and you have to use a separate brush and all that kind of stuff. And I was like, no time for that. Give me something in a bottle with a brush that comes with it. Okay, please. So I was looking at all these different builder gels in the bottle, like IBD and I think it was Mia's Secret and a couple of others. And they were like $15 a bottle, $11, $12 per bottle. But they were pretty nice size bottles, I would say, maybe 15 milliliters or something. But I didn't know how I was going to like builder gel in a bottle. So I just wanted to try something out that was inexpensive. That's what I'm all about. I'm about, if you want to try something first, buy the inexpensive version. Like, don't go out there and get no red iguana hand when you just starting out trying to practice on hands. Okay, get you a little $5, $6, $7 hand that the nails don't stay on. You got a monkey glue them on, gorilla glue. E6000 glue them on, and just see if you're even going to be liking this craft before you go spend $200 on a fake hand. Wait a minute, I digress. Let's move back into the review video, okay? But yes, I didn't want to spend $15, $20 on a product that I wasn't even sure I was going to end up loving. So I've saw a few reviews on Facebook where people were like, I use the Aimeili Builder Base. And I was like, okay, it's builder gel in a bottle. And if you look at the Amazon listings, you might get a little confused because they put their stuff in the same box as they do with their regular base and their regular top coats. So you might look at the listing and be like, I don't know if this is a builder or a base. I don't know what this is. So I will definitely link below in the description box the link to this builder base. And I will also link to you the set is what is the best value, but I will also link just the base by itself. But the price cannot be beat. For both the builder base and the no wipe top coat, it's $9.99 at the moment. You know how when stuff starts blowing up, they go up on their prices. So get it while you can. But it's actually a 10 milliliter bottle. It's not huge. I was a little disappointed at how small it was, but it does the job. It's okay. It's something good to start off with, but just to show you the difference between a regular base and a builder gel in a bottle. Look at this. Look, can you see? Can you see? Can you see how thick that is? Look at that. That's not going anywhere. Look at that big blob. And then it's super thick. So it's definitely a base gel. This is just like you're not your hard gel, but your builder gel in the containers. Except it has a brush to it and it's super easy to use. And then you get your no wipe top coat, which let me show you the difference. It's a nice consistency too, if I must say. But of course, it's not quite as thick as the base, okay? So, I absolutely loved, it's doing a twist. I absolutely loved this product so much. And I was afraid that once I put the word out how good it was, and I actually used it on this hand, and I use nail forms on this hand with this builder base and top coat. And it was easier than working with the poly gel. It was easier than working with the builder gel in the container, but it still was real difficult with the paper forms. So not real difficult, but more difficult. So on this hand, I did tips. Instead of building my own nail, I did tips on this hand and it was so much easier. I mean, it was like painting my nails easy, except for these three fingers. These three fingers kind of got messed up and I had to redo them, and I did them with the Beatles nail glue kit. That's like the Press and Kiara Sky dupe method. So I will link that video right here. But yes, the tips made it so much easier. So I love this product so much. I was scared that people were going to get a hold of it and learn how good it was. So I ordered me a backups. I had to because you can never have enough, in my opinion, you can never have enough base nail products. You know, you can have enough fingernail. No, you can't have enough fingernail polish either. You can't have enough of it. I'm sorry. So I just had to get it. And so what I say, don't get confused, is because the listings are so similar. Now they actually, be careful. They actually have the regular top coat and base coat that's in the pink bottles. Don't get it confused with the builder base, okay? Now this is the regular base. Let's open it up and see how thick it is. Not thick at all, but it's a nice consistency, I must say. But this one, I was wondering what the difference was between the white bottle and the pink bottle of the regular. And some people were commenting in the comments that this one was more of the professional line and the pink one was more for like the unprofessional. I don't know why they have a chip on my bottle. I want to send it back and get another one because I don't want a chip bottle. But anyway, anyways, so I said, I'll just try it. So, I'm just throwing stuff, guys. I need to focus on my coordination. Okay. So I want to try it. So you can't have enough base coats and top coats because you're always using it. You'll get like 10 nail polish colors and then one base coat and one top coat. Like, really? You're going to use the base coat and top coat up. But anyway, I digress. So I got their nail primer pH bonder because, okay, I'm trying not to mix brands as much anymore. And just in case you would like to see the ingredients, there they are. But I think this is an acid primer because it smells like an acid primer. So, and it's no cure, so you don't have to cure it. But I'm trying not to mix products. It's a 10 milliliter bottle. It's like a going thing with them. All their stuff is like 10 milliliter bottles, which is kind of small, to be honest. They need to up their sizes or something. But in the past, I would mix brands, and those brands did not play well together. And that's the reason why my nails were not staying on. That's why I was having lifting and other problems. I cannot stress enough how the process and the products makes so much of a difference. I mean, now my nails can last 2-3 weeks, probably even a month if I wanted them to. But yeah, so I'm here to share with you how to find the best products for the best price. And that's what we're going to do over here on Natural Niecy Nails, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. I will be doing a demonstration of these products for you in the very near future. I will pretty much do a demonstration on all the products that I review just to show you how they work, because I know I love watching the demonstration also before I purchase something. So I will be doing that for you also. So if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can be advised that I have a new video up. And that's video with a T. So thank you so much for watching. Check out the playlist right here so you can see other tips, tricks, and hacks that I have for you, and other deals and steals that I run across, because I'm going to share it all with you. You're going to be the first one to sip the tea, okay? Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you on the next episode, my divas. Stay beautiful.